giving you all that you need to know from the entertainment industry. Now, thank you so much for all the love you have shown to the Dhurandhar review. It was my first review ever, so thank you very much. And I'm back again to talk about Dhurandhar. But let me tell you, people who are huge Bollywood fan and have been waiting for Dhurandhar, but you stay in the Gulf countries, देखिए आप लोग को फ्लाइट लेके इंडिया आना पड़ेगा ये फिल्म देखने के लिए बिकॉज वहाँ पे ये फिल्म बैन हो गया है नाउ Dhurandhar, we all know, has an anti-Pakistan messaging because of which Gulf countries have banned the film. And this is not the first time that it has happened. It has happened before also with films like Fighter, Tiger 3, Article 370, Kashmir Files, The Diplomat, Sky Force, you name it, all of them have been banned in Gulf. So I think the filmmakers saw it coming. Still, according to reports, they did attempt to have a talk with them and give them a edited version. But how much can you edit, right? It was they said no to it and it was banned. So yeah, all you fans need to come to India. Other than that, I have to tell you, the film is really, really doing well in India. It has crossed 200 crore, and people are absolutely loving it, tripping on the songs, loving Akshay Khanna, Ranveer Singh's performance. Yes, video is going viral. So yeah, a lot of buzz around the film. It's still going houseful. So that's great. But let me tell you, Gulf countries play a very important part for these filmmakers because there's a huge, huge demand for Indian films. We have seen how well Jawan, Pathan, these films have done in Gulf countries in millions. They have earned in millions of dollars. And so it's a setback for the Dhurandhar makers that the film is not releasing in the Gulf countries. But again, that's something they were prepared for mentally, that they knew that this is something that they cannot stop from happening. Like I said, there's so many films that have gone banned. So yes, a huge loss. We cannot give you the exact numbers because it depends on every film. But let me tell you, there are more than 720 screens alone in UAE. So you can imagine the number of screens it's missing out on when it comes to all the Gulf countries, and that includes Bahrain, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and of course the UAE. So, the authorities reportedly objected on the content of this film and sweeping a ban. They tried to debate about it, but it didn't work. But hopefully, we will have more films coming to the Gulf countries. But for now, it's a huge loss. But let's look at the brighter side, that the film is doing really well in other parts of the world and in our country. It's a vibe. The film is a vibe, and people are absolutely loving it. So yeah. क्या ही करना है, it's okay. And if you are, like I said, if you're a Bollywood fan, just fly to India. If you want to watch Dhurandhar, let me tell you, it'll be worth it.